Hello everyone. In today's video, I will demonstrate you how the signal waveform changes when a noise is added to it. So to demonstrate this, I will use MATLAB simulator. So you can see the command window in the MATLAB. So let's first start creating the signal. Alright, for that let's define the time. Time, let's say like it's sampled at 0.01 interval, and then let's define the axis. Let's say like 2, 0 to 2, and then minus 2 to 2 is the y-axis. Minus 2 to 2 is the y-axis, and then let's say when we have that, it will generate the figure like this. And then when we now like we want to generate the signal, let's say like signal equals to let's say we create the sine signal a sine 2 pi ft. So let's say like the amplitude is 3 a sine 2 times pi. Let's say like the frequency is 4, and then time, and then there's no phase. All right, phase is 0. And then let's try to plot this signal. Plot against time signal, and then let's plot it in the blue color. And when we have this, it's gonna plot the signal. Here we can see the signal. This is the sine signal, which has the maximum amplitude of 3, and then it has a frequency of 4. We can see that from here, right? It goes from 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave, and 4 wave, right? Now let's also generate the noise. Let's say like this noise is being added. Let's say like its amplitude is 1, and then let's say like it's the cos signal, a times cos 2 pi. Let's say like its frequency is 2 time plus 150. Let's say it has some phase as well, right? And if we try to plot this, plot the noise, let's say like we print it in the red color. So when we print that, okay, it will look like this. It has the amplitude of 1. All right, but then we also want to have the other signal as well. So for that, like we will need to use hold on. If we want to have like both the graphs in the same figure, then we need to do that. So now when we have hold on, it will plot both the graph in the same figure, right? Now we want the resulting signal when the signal has some noise added to it. So the resulting signal equals to signal plus noise, right? And then let's plot that. And let's plot it in the same color, right? Okay. So now we can see how the signal waveform had changed when this noise, this red waveform, is added to the original signal, which is in the blue color, right? So this way the waveform changes when a noise is added to a signal. And with this demonstration we can visualize the change in the waveform. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching.